Go to File menu and click on New Virtual Machine. Choose Custom and click Next. Select the latest workstation version and Next. Choose I will install the operating system later and Next. Select Microsoft Windows as operating system and in the version choose Windows Server 2012. Where to save the virtual machine files? You can keep the defaults, but here I will browse to a different location and will create a folder with name WinServer 2012 R2. Give the virtual machine name, Next. Keep defaults and Next. I will increase the number of processor cores to 2. You can increase the RAM size from here, but I will keep it as default. The network connection, choose Net. Keep default and continue with Next. And finally click Finish. After the machine is being created, edit the settings to add the image file to boot from. Now, power on the virtual machine to start the installation process. Keep the language to English and Next. Install. Select server with GUI, the standard version and Next. Accept the license agreement and Next. Choose the custom option. Here, if you need to create partitions, we will keep only one partition, so click Next. Wait till the installation ends. Choose the administrator password. Now the installation completed. Click Ctrl-Alt-Delete to sign in and type the password we just set and hit enter. The first thing to do after the installation is to download and install the Windows updates. From the Server Manager, click on Local Server. Open the Windows Updates page. Change the settings. Now click on Check for Updates. It's searching for the available updates. Now downloading the updates. And now installing the updates. After installing the updates, it will ask for restart. You may need to repeat updates checking, downloading and installing more than time to get the server fully updated.